Feeling stuck in your fitness journey? Wondering when you'll finally see results? Keep watching to discover the truth about getting fit. Getting fit, building muscle, conditioning your body, it all takes time. But remember, it won't happen overnight, but it will happen. Patience and persistence are your best friends. Weeks of effort without visible changes can be frustrating, but the internal benefits come first. You'll feel better long before you see physical changes. Increased energy, better mood, and improved sleep are just the beginning. So, how long does it take to get fit? It depends on your goals. Are you aiming for strength, endurance, or overall fitness? Everyone's fitness journey is unique. Factors like genetics and prior fitness levels play a role, so focus on your progress, not others. Initial changes can be seen in 4 to 6 weeks, but significant transformations often take 8 to 12 weeks. A study from the University of Wisconsin found that even after 6 weeks, physical appearance changes were minimal. Consistency is key. Building muscle? Expect initial gains in the first 4 weeks due to neural adaptations. Your body becomes more efficient at recruiting muscle fibers. After 2 to 3 months, you'll see more significant muscle size and strength changes. Progressive overload is crucial during this phase. By months 4 to 6, you'll have a solid foundation of muscle. Your strength and endurance will noticeably increase. For long-term muscle growth, commit to training beyond 6 months. Consistency, quality sleep, and proper nutrition are essential. Running improves cardiovascular fitness, builds endurance, and burns calories. The timeline for getting fit through running varies. In the first 2 weeks of running, you'll notice increased energy levels, improved mood, and better sleep. By weeks 3 to 6, your endurance will improve, allowing you to run longer distances or maintain a faster pace. After 2 to 3 months, you'll see substantial improvements in cardiovascular fitness and body composition. Around the 3 to 6 month mark, running fitness will significantly boost. Longer distances and faster paces become achievable. Cardio workouts also improve stamina and burn calories. Immediate benefits include increased energy and better sleep. After a few weeks of consistent cardio, you'll experience enhanced endurance and stamina, making longer workouts easier. To achieve high cardiovascular fitness, commit to regular cardio workouts for 6 months or longer. Your heart and lungs will adapt. Your fitness journey is unique. Stay consistent, be patient, and remember, the results will come. Keep pushing forward.